Imagine that your whole chest area is filled with healing golden light. If there's any energy or sensation there that is uncomfortable, let it dissolve into the light. Letting go of worry and of fear, focusing on nourishing ourselves. Let the golden light fill that space right now. And from your heart, this golden light radiates out to fill the whole of your body, out through the rib cage, the muscles at the front and the back, the sides, up into your throat, your mouth and jaw, into your belly. Golden light is suffusing every cell in your body, every area in your energy field, transformed by this golden light. It radiates up into your head, into your brain, to the crown chakra, the top of the head, the eyebrow center, filled with this beautiful radiating golden light. Down through the neck and shoulders, the muscles soft, smooth, radiating light, filling all the cells of your body. Down through the muscles and bones of your arms, to your hands and fingers, fingertips. Notice the power of that golden light in the palms of your hands. Bring that light radiating out from your hands, through your head, your face, filling up your eyes, your ears, down through your heart, your belly, your womb area, the hips, down into your legs as well, the powerful muscles of your legs, filled with golden light. Down through your joints, your toes, soles of your feet, like the palms of your hands, let the golden light gather, become stronger in the soles of your feet. And either in your body right now or in your memory, stand on the earth. Golden light filling the whole body, the whole energy field of your body, radiating down into the earth, radiating from your palms out into the area around your body, to the top of the head, up into the sky. Whole of your energy field is filled with this beautiful golden light, nourishing your body, your brain, your heart, your gut, whole of your body, arms and legs, head to toes, front and back, filling the whole space around you. And then bring the light of your hands into your heart. Open your eyes and let the light stream out into the world. And as you breathe in, breathing in the light and breathing out the light, let that flow out into the world. Beautiful golden light streaming out of your nostrils into the light of the energy field around your body. And knowing that as we move into the world, we can always come back here. Remember that we are made of light.